Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of struggling with tricky software just to remove a picture background? Say goodbye to frustration. Let me show you the easiest and the most efficient way to remove your picture background. Just follow me step by step and get ready to unleash your creativity on removing your background and your image and your video background. So join me as we go to remove.bg. Click on upload pictures. I'm going to upload my own personal picture and watch the magic.
A few moments later.
Wow, you can see what I'm telling you. As easy as that. You don't need Photoshop, you don't need any tricky or any elaborate software just to remove the background. As quick as this, you're done with your background. Let's jump over to the next one, which is video background remover. Fire up your browsers, go to onscreen.com. Look for the upload session. For the benefit of this video, I'm going to upload a video of P2B talking to the public. Okay, the video is uploading, so we're going to give it a little time for it to upload, finish, and process the background remover. After which, look at what we have. The background has been removed. So on this platform, you can actually add your background or make choice of background you want just by shifting these things under this place. It's as easy as anything. This is what we do in this channel. Try out this platform and let me know what you feel at the comment box. If you want to watch more of these videos, subscribe to this channel so you'll be the first to be notified when we drop video. Over here and here, YouTube is going to provide you a follow-up video to watch. Make sure you watch those videos to learn new trick. Thank you, family. See you on the next video.